Say good morning. Can you say good morning? No.
Bad hair.
You want to go get some breakfast? All right, we gotta say hi to Dory. It's gonna be a cold and rainy one at Castaway. Can I see your Mickey waffle? Mickey waffle. Where's your eggs? That's a hash brown. There's your eggs. Hash brown. You enjoying your breakfast? Yeah, me. It's very cold. It's cold and cloudy. D. We made it. We're on Castaway. We forgot her floaty. That's okay. Bye, treasure. Be back soon. Hello, Castaway. It's been a minute. We've been at Lighthouse.
Yeah, that is true.
Not for me. I was here on the Destiny.
Let me go the other one first.
We're gonna go to Scuttle's Cove later. Close your legs, little missy. We go test out the water? Yeah, let's go test it out. Look at them go. The water's pretty cold. Oh, there she goes. She wasn't really interested in Mexico to go in the water. What are you playing with? What is it?
Seed or something.
You find it? Throw it. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Look at you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
See if I can do this very quickly.
We're at the open house. Oh.
Oh,
Wipe out. You see the little slide? Yeah, you can go down your little slide. There you go. Wee! No wee. That's a baby slide. Oh, you want the blue one? Can you go down the yellow one first? No. Throw it. Whoa! Look, you got it in the hula hoop. You want to play with bubbles? Mommy's bad at this. Mommy's bad at the bubbles. Bubbles! Bubbles! Woo, you got one. What are you gonna do with your big ball? It's not gonna fit. Yeah!
Oh,
Good job. See all the toys? Yeah. It's gonna get you. What are you gonna do with Bluey? Wee! Wee! Now if only you could do the slide. You know, eventually the open house will close.
Yep.
Then you will have to leave.
You got your pool noodle? Yep. Oh.
You want a snack? Aw, the bye-bye. Back by the water.
got our chance with it.
Mm-hmm.
Why not bring the Sandy one?
I don't know. Go get Ariel. Ariel.
I'm not picking you up.
Aw, bye-bye, girl. Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Mama.
Sure. Zip. There's hat.
Where's the hat? There you go.
There we go. That's
Do you like your swing? Uh-oh. What are you doing? Whee! We swinging? You want me to swing more? There you go. Even us out. Stay here, though. All right. Short visit to Castaway. About 2 hours. 2 hours. But, yeah, it's really crappy. So, hopefully the sun can come out later and we'll be at the pools. But, it's on and off rain. It's almost 11. Go back. They are. Trust me, I know. Is Daddy gonna get you some fries? Fries? You wanna get down? Is it hot? This might be our last festival of foods. That's really sad.
We'll have a snacky snack later.
We'll get a snack later. Yeah, because you'll need dinner. Goofy? You're taking all of our food. You ate my sausage. Now you want a cheeseburger? Oh, it's too messy. You want some pizza?
You just want the burger?
She just wants the meat. Come on now. Oh. Run, run, run! Just Woody! Where's Woody? You can go down the slide today? No. Should Daddy go down it?
No. Bye-bye.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Whee! Whee! Whoa! Now your turn.
Why is it that I always stop right?
You have your choice. Eddie?
Whee! All the way. Your turn. Your turn.
Your turn. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Wasn't that fun? Whoa! Yeah!
Go get mommy. Go for it. Oh. What? Uh-oh. Go. Go, baby girl. You got to push her through it. Push her, push her. Oh. Yay.
I'm just chilling. Trying to give her a nap. We'll see if she falls asleep. She's about to be asleep. We're just living it up while she tans. Or while she naps. I'm tanning. She's napping. She's right there. She's a sleeping baby. After about an hour and 15 minutes, she's starting to move.
Still not yet.
Will she wake up? We're back from a nap and pool time, and Evelyn got this card, and it's from the nursery.
And that's why we put our kid in the nursery.
Says thank you for coming to play with us, but you're still gonna go one more time.
Yep, you get to go play one more time.
Look at her cute little card. Looks like Spider-Man. She's ready. Ready to meet some characters. Yeah! You're so pretty. Woo! There, give Stitch a hug. Big hugs. Yeah. Good job.
Oh, that is such a good hug, Stitch.
Big hugs.
Big hug. You already
Oh.
practiced.
Aw. Good job.
Did you practice your princess hug?
Yeah.
Flynn?
You want to say hi? No. No. Can you spin with Rapunzel? Almost. There you go. Yeah. Aww. Here. No. So after some character meet and greets, we're at Jade Cricket Cafe. Gee. Did you see Stitch? Stitch was so cute. No.
No, you want to sing again?
I got Stitch and Angel. Woody, yeah, that's what's on. That's so cute.
I got an espresso martini in a whiskey glass. It's got Disney treasure.
Oh, good job. There you go.
Yeah.
Aw. You happy to see Daisy? Uh-oh.
Birds are too. That's so amazing. I travel with a bird. My chicken Hey Hey. Do you have anything? You know how my chicken is now?
Oh. Thank you. Oh, what do you see? What do you see? Say hi. Nope. Oh,
There's this chicken.
you threw it.
Like a chicken.
Our last date night.
Date night. Evelyn's dropped off, so we got dinner and a show for date night.
Date night number 4.
That's fine.
Menu.
No menu tonight. This is pretty good. Appetizers. Tuna poke might be mine. Yep. This is pretty good. And entrees.
I'm getting both soups.
You're getting both soups?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. That's fine.
And I'll probably get the pasta.
The pasta. I'm thinking about the beef Wellington, but the salmon sounds good. I don't know. We'll see.
It's a new show.
For our hero celebratory dinner.
Are you excited?
Sure how you humans have fun.
Friday's a
But
party
I do know
for
That's right.
following a rigid schedule of predetermined events. I'll go
We're starting the show.
There we go.
Ba, ba,
Celebration of
celebration of
heroes.
heroes.
We'll drop in on your favorite hero.
Get it?
This is
Look at
not
Groot.
the music the algorithm knows.
I got both soups. So we're just playing trivia.
We are.
Identify the hero. Is it the Winter Soldier? Oh, is it my man?
Yeah, it is Winter Soldier.
Yeah. Oh no, it's Black Panther. So I got the pasta. What did you get?
I got the rack of lamb.
Oh. So now this trivia is getting annoying. It's just like constant. So. Yeah.
Dessert. You got your cake? No?
I just told them I'm gonna like the strawberry.
Probably not. That's fine.
The cheesecake is good.
I got cheesecake. We'll see how this is.